A very warm welcome to our cybersecurity training for employees.
Let's delve into understanding a fundamental component of governance, security policy, Lesson 2.
Hello there. As an employee, we trust you will use your organization-provided device to access and store corporate information and sensitive data. Your first step will likely be to create a password to protect your device and accounts. It's crucial to follow the organization's security policy for guidance on creating a strong password. By thoroughly understanding the organization's security protocols, employees can effectively contribute to a safer and more secure work environment, safeguarding both the organization and themselves from potential security threats.
Absolutely accurate. Here's why knowing your organization's security policy is crucial. A security policy is the bedrock of an organization's cybersecurity framework. It outlines the rules, expectations, and overall approach to safeguarding sensitive information from various threats such as unauthorized access, damage, loss, and misuse.
And it governs the protection of assets across data confidentiality to prevent unauthorized access to sensitive information, data integrity to ensure data accuracy and reliability, and data availability to guarantee access to information when needed.
As an employee, given the importance of safeguarding sensitive information, understanding your company's security policy is paramount. To be compliant, to know how to protect sensitive information, and to know your responsibility and accountability.
Overall, reading and understanding security policies are crucial for ensuring that employees are well informed and prepared to contribute to a secure and compliant work environment. Thank you.